It blows my mind how many people don't even have a great profile picture on LinkedIn. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction. This is video 78 as we count down 100 marketing ideas to help you grow your business. And today we're talking about optimizing your LinkedIn profile. There are hundreds of spots within your LinkedIn profile that you can optimize. I actually created an entire video on doing just that. I'll put the link to that somewhere up here. You'll find that. But what I want you to do is at a minimum, have a great banner across the top of your LinkedIn profile that has some sort of a call to action. Have a great headshot, a headshot that's you, your face, not too far away. Take off the sunglasses, don't wear a hat unless you sell hats. And my goodness, get off the phone. These LinkedIn profile shots of somebody sitting on the phone, look, if you're too busy to have a picture taken of yourself, you're probably too busy to service me. So I'm not gonna contact you if I see you're on the phone in your profile shot. We get it, you answer the phone. Haha, that was great back in the 90s. It doesn't work anymore. I went off on a tangent. Put down the phone, just have a great headshot on LinkedIn. Make sure that your title is appropriate. Make sure your summary describes the transformation that you offer people. And always make sure that people can get a hold of you. Then fill out your entire LinkedIn profile so that you demonstrate authority and expertise and create lots of meaningful content so that you build trust with your audience. The next video in this series is right here. The entire series from the start can be right up here. And boom, there is a link to subscribing to this channel so that you can get alerts every time I create a new video just like this.